Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Instagram notes not showing. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. Now click on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the notes here, or the messages. Here you can leave a new note or a song perhaps that you would like. Let's just choose this and put a note. Let's just say hi, share. It's a very cool feature, right? But sometimes you might not be able to see it. If that happens, there are 4 ways that we could do to fix the issue. The first thing that we need to do is turn on professional mode. So just click on the profile icon located at the lower right corner of your screen, the bottom right. And click on the 3 horizontal line located at the top right corner of your screen. And scroll down until you see For Professionals, Account Types and Tools. Click on it. Switch to Professional. Next, or this. And you'll get to choose if it's creator or business. So let's just say business. Next. Next. And it will ask for your personal information. You can just follow all the prompts there. And there you have it. And you'll see this professional dashboard. And there, that should refresh your account setting and your notes should show. But if not, there's a second way to fix it, which is to check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. What you need to do is go back to your home screen, open the App Store or Google Store, whichever you used, Android or iPhone. Search for Instagram and check if you have the latest version of the app. Now, if you don't have the latest version of the app, it will prompt you to update, like here on the Facebook and Messenger. But if you have the latest version of the app, then it will prompt you to open. So if you need to update it, you need to update it. Now, the third way to fix the problem is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. Just need to long press, remove app or uninstall app, and then go to your app store to reinstall it again. That should refresh the app. Now, if ever that you already done everything, yet the notes is still not showing, the last option that you could do is to report a problem. Now, go to your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find help. Report a problem. Report problem without shaking. Tap on that. And include and continue. You just need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You just need to put in Instagram notes not showing. Please help. And you can send it to report it. They should be able to get back to you in a few days. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.